She like roses.
You're too special.
You deserve roses. And you know this. You got me like, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mukbang. Still don't know what it's called, but I'm here for it. You get to eat and talk to people, so it's easy and, you know, amazing. So I got pancakes and eggs. I made them myself. You know, I didn't want to do anything else, but it's Sunday, you know, just gonna eat big, you know. And I have my syrup in a cup because I didn't feel like putting it on downstairs because I don't know, I feel like the pancake soaks the syrup and stuff. And don't mind my cat over there. Anyways, I have 3 pancakes here. Well, one of them are like small, but still freaking good. I think these type of videos are kind of like awkward and cringy, but I still do them anyway. But the satisfaction. What am I saying? The satisfaction. Why am I keep on saying it? Well, it's satisfying and amazing. Okay. It sucks that, oh wait, hold on. I did buy a thing that does that. There we go. So we did a lot today, even though it's only, where's my phone? It's only 11:18 in the morning still. We went to drop my brother off. And a whole bunch of stuff. My dream, it's kind of weird, but it's fine. It's fine. I used to put cinnamon in my pancakes, but I don't anymore because, I don't know, I feel like it was overwhelming, and then butter tastes better anyways. And if I put cinnamon in it, it would have like overwhelmed the butter. So, yeah. See, these type of videos are just good for me because I like eating. Even though my cat is literally giving me a mean look right now. But it's fine. You know what sucks? Oops. That I can't play music while I'm doing this. And let me see. Have you guys heard of the Wish app? The Wish app is so good. Like, I just ordered a case from there. If you guys follow my Instagram promo, Tatibbeautiful on Instagram, I posted the one I ordered on there, and I will show you in a moment. I'm so excited summer. It's been great so far. How many days been? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 days into summer, and it's just so amazing. You get to wake up anytime you want. You get to go to sleep at like hours that you were in school at. Like, it's amazing. Let me see. Here it is. I got this one for this phone, and I don't know. Wish usually takes forever to send you stuff, so I'll be making a Wish haul once I get everything from Wish, because I still have stuff that I ordered that didn't come yet. So post update, this summer I might be going to Jamaica, guys. That would be one bomb vlog, one in there, like, and I'll have my phone holder by then to hold my phone and everything. It would be amazing. I can just, oh, I can just vision it right now, but I don't know yet. But just be ready. I already knew I would need more syrup because I just knew. I just knew. I have a video coming out today. This video is probably not going to come out till tomorrow morning because I'm editing other stuff. I have more and more time to do videos now. It's just so amazing. And I can think of them more because I have so much time on my hands. But this one I just came out of the blue, like, it's a mukbang, like, you basically just eat and talk. So the phone case I bought, I saw it on, what's it called? Instagram. Everyone has them. They're like a little thing you can pop out in the back, and they were only like, I checked the price, it was $25, and then I went on Wish. Guess how much they are? They're like $2 or something like that. I forgot what I bought it for, but I heard something cheaper. I'm so full. I plan on filming another video today because today is a special day. A month ago, it was my birthday. And I got something on my birthday. And that's all I'm going to say. Well, that video will already be out. So, actually, a month ago, I bought my iPhone. So, I plan on making a video about, like, how I like it 1 month later. I do like it. It's amazing, but I don't know where my headphones are, which I probably mentioned in the video. I can't find them anywhere. Like, it sucks. New videos coming and new adventures, and it's amazing. One little tiny like egg left. Alright, guys. I am stuffed. I am full. Oh my god. Okay, that was a lot. That was a lot. Okay. My stomach is so full. Okay, guys. I hope you guys like this mukbang. Comment down below if you think I should do more or less, or put some more stuff into it. I know people usually do like story times and stuff, but I didn't really think of one right now. Like, I just thought of this and doing the mukbang right on top of my head, so I just told you guys what was going on in my life. But yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good, I'm kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.